Geneva Call delegations regularly go to the field to meet armed groups that are active in North Kivu. These meetings reinforce the ongoing dialogue on the respect of the civilian populations. In this region, regular fighting between the government and several armed groups have had a dramatic and adverse impact on the population.
Il y avait maintenant des affrontements. À cette occasion-là, nous avions pris fuite dans la forêt. Après maintenant les affrontements, on avait maintenant brûlé cette école.
On a tué mon père, on a tué mon frère et mon deuxième enfant. Et à chaque fois qu'on me demande de rentrer, alors j'ai beaucoup plus peur quand je me représente les atrocités que j'avais eues. Le village, tout le village était incendié. C'est ainsi que nous avons décidé de nous déplacer pour nous installer ici dans ces camps.
Displacement, looting, sexual violence, and the destruction of schools and public buildings are some of the abuses affecting the civilian population. It sometimes takes hours of travel on virtually impassable tracks to reach the armed groups. First contact is often made through neighboring communities. They have a direct relationship with the groups and know the security situation. They can also facilitate the access to combatants and leaders. It's important for us to be transparent with local actors and to inform them of our approach. After these discussions, we are ready to visit the armed group. The relationship with the commanders started a few months ago, and we have already worked with them to ensure that their code of conduct respects humanitarian norms. Today, we will discuss, among many topics, the possibility that they will sign the Geneva Call deed of commitment to protect children in armed conflict. After a few hours of walking, we arrive at the meeting place. Le premier point, c'est de dire qu'en aucun cas, on utilise les enfants dans les hostilités. Que ce soit pour combattre, pour transporter les munitions, pour apporter de la nourriture sur les lignes de front. Dans les hostilités, on ne se sert pas des enfants.
Ça arrive comme la fois passée, l'enfant s'est rendu chez nous. Nous, on l'a pris et on l'a remis dans ce pierre qui est venu.
Vous avez une preuve comme quoi vous avez rendu l'enfant. Ça, c'est une bonne pratique.
Hapa tunaona ni picha ya kusema yote yenyewe naangalia kidnapping.
We won't sign the deed of commitment this time, but these discussions are an important step to have before any signing. We have also secured their agreement to train some of their combatants and officers on international humanitarian norms. Back in Goma, we launched a radio campaign aimed at raising awareness amongst local leaders and communities and armed groups on international humanitarian law and the Geneva Conventions.
Afin de leur offrir cette opportunité d'adhérer aux normes humanitaires.
In a region so heavily affected by armed violence, we have to use all means at our disposal, whether it be radio and TV campaigns or direct dialogue with armed groups, to reduce the suffering of civilian populations.
Vita ina kanuni zake. Piganaji sio uuaji.